Hi, my friend, Sam Villa here, Redken Global Artistic Ambassador. I want to share a really cool trick with you, just simply working with a belt buckle. Once again, it's all about ponytails this spring and summer, but adding visual value to them in terms of how do you do that. So we simply have gone through, we put Destiny in a ponytail. We did a directional blow dry with our Redken Guts 10. Guts 10 is amazing. It's targeted specifically for root lift and great for directional blow drying. Once we did that, we came in and we worked with our texture iron. And with the texture iron, we wanted to create 3 times the volume. So we went in and we actually weaved like a highlight, but the section we weaved is what we textured. So some of her hair is left straight, or natural hair, and then some of it has been hit with the texture iron. Our product of choice, Iron Shape 11, when working with the texture iron. Not an option, a necessity. Why? Thermal heat protectors. Thermal heat protectors are really important, especially on decolorized hair. Now our last product of choice is going to be Braid Aid 03. I need something that's going to give me a little bit of slip. I definitely want slip with this technique, and you'll see why in a moment. Coming through emulsifying Braid Aid 03. Now we're going to come through. We're just going to place a ponytail on top of what we have already. Okay? I'm going to take a clear elastic, and I'm going to use this elastic to gather this hair. Okay? Let's take another elastic, and let's use it down here to once again gather this hair. You'll see why in a moment. Once we have that, now we're going to take a belt buckle. A belt buckle that we purchased out there at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but a belt buckle, then I just simply broke off the little tab, the little folding tab that goes across the belt buckle. Going to work with a very strong hairpin. Okay? Now think about the belt buckle. I want to place the belt buckle right there. So I'm going to point the hairpin down where I have the elastic. Then I'm going to take and push this hair through that. So let's actually bring it up. So let's bring it up. So I want to bring this hair through the belt buckle. So just like we've taught you over the years in terms of using a hairpin to cover up the elastic, now I'm using a hairpin to kind of get the hair through the belt buckle. So we're going to come up with the hairpin, squeeze the hairpin through the belt buckle. Now slide your hairpin down and pull that through. That's where I'm going to want that belt buckle to sit. So now I'm going to place it, the pin going down this time, into the belt buckle. Now slide the belt buckle so I can get the hair through that. Now slide the belt buckle back up where I want that belt buckle to sit. And I want that belt buckle to sit right on the rim of that elastic. Let's do another one. Okay, belt buckle. Let's put that one so it sits like that. Great ornamentation. Once again, accessorizing. Okay, so think about the pattern of how you want that belt buckle to go in. So I want to cover up that, so I need to come underneath first, through the belt buckle, pull through. Okay, now we want to take that hair back through the belt buckle, and now pull through. Okay, now once I've got that, then all I'm going to do is take my triple take 32. Triple take is the highest hold with no crunch. So I'm going to spray the end of this. Okay. Once I've got that sprayed, I'm going to take our large comb and come through and simply go right underneath and just add a small amount of back combing to that, just so that won't slide itself out. So once again, it's all about using accessories to add visual value to the hair. Simple idea with belt buckles. Thanks for watching, and at Sam Villa, we will continue to bring you the education.